surprisingly taken this very well.
Yeah. Yes, she is. Nice. That is nice.
Yeah, look at that.
Oh crap. Bro, your fucking cart's full. Your fucking cart's full.
I told you to empty it out. The microphone.
You got that, Bishop?
I'm getting it all. Don't worry, Dad, I'm getting it. Getting all of it.
I asked her to take it off the
You could have fucking saved it to your computer.
Well, delete them all.
No, forget it. By the time I delete it, it'll be over.
You know why I won. You know why I did that.
Well, you did what?
Why I kept them on the card. So then you can have my computer like last time. I'm not losing any recipes in any of those pictures.
You like swimming.
You getting on camera, Bishop?
Yeah,
Alright.
yeah. They're coming in nice too. Zoom in a little bit if you have to.
No, don't, because then you'll cut some out.
Yeah,
The problem with this thing zooming in like it did, I couldn't get the part with the bottom.
so I should have put on the other one.
Dad, I'm getting everything.
It's good. Just keep it going. Let's hope you don't run out of space.
So far, I'm at
How much did you say? How much you got left?
1980, 1979.
Right, you should have plenty to finish this up with. Watching that? It's pretty, huh? It's pretty. Oh, you got that right, Bishop?
Oh yeah, I definitely got that. Dad, I am getting everything.
Calm down, you're talking about video. Raise it up a little bit. There you go, just like that. You got all that? Awesome. It's gotta be in there, honey. Yeah, let me see. Why she got her feet up on the thing? Did you get that? Did you get the bottom part too?
Yeah. Dad, I'm getting.
Told you.
Dad, I'm getting
It's not like any fireworks you've ever seen, is it?
I'm coming here again.
Look at that. Here comes the grand finale.
Wow, that is beautiful. Dad, look at that. Dad, look at that on the phone.
I'll watch it on the video later, bitch.
Woo!
Next year we was sitting over there.
Oh, this is
Bring the
perfect.
chairs.
This is perfect.
Yes. Bring chairs.
Is it worth the wait?
Yes.
Yes.
I can't believe I ran out of film.
Huh?
I can't believe I ran out of film. You don't have nobody's head in the way, right?
I'm positive.
You can zoom in a little bit. Zoom in a little bit. Don't move around too much. Center it. Like this way a little bit. Oh, look at that. Did you get all that? Up a little bit, up a little bit. There you go.